So the next element is text formatting. Control K, Control C. Okay, the text formatting is like you want to put your text in bold, the text in italic, the text in subscript or superscript. So let's create a h2 and then we put this text is bold. Now another one, this text is italic and this text is subscript and this text is superscript. Script. So if you want to put this text as a bold, so what you have to do is just B element. You have to use the B element. Okay, so for this one it is, you can remove this one, h2 h control Z, which is in B element. So put everything is there. You see this text is bold. Okay, now you want to put in italic, so I tab, put the text there between these two elements. So you see, let's put break so we can see. So this text is bold, this text is italic. Okay, let's create another break. Now which is subscript. Subscript is sub. Now put that text in that element. So this text is subscript. Remove this element and then br line break, and super is sub. This one here. Here you go. Sub and sub. You can already you can always, well, you can put the HTML as a small text as well, like a small, and let's copy this one, or let me type again. This is a small text. Break. You see, this is small text, or the size of the subscript and superscript and small is already is same. Now let's create another element which is mark. Okay, I have to create like this one. This text is marked. Yeah, so if you want to put as a mark, as a if you want to put text as a highlighted text with the yellow color on it, so you can use the mark element. Let me put the break line. Yeah, so you can see easily. Let me put some couple of break line so you can see easily. Yeah, one couple of more. Yeah. Okay, another element which is del, like a if you want to, you have another element which is which called del. This element defines delete or remove text. So paragraph, my favorite color is blue. Well, del blue and red. So you see the word blue, which is marked as a deleted or as a, which is there is a line on it, and because we have used the element del which defines delete or remove as a text. Now you have another element which is ints, which is which defines inserted or added text. So break paragraph, my favorite ints color is red. So if you use ints as a as element and you put the text you between, it is inserted as a newly added text. You, that word is underlined. There is another element you can use which is sub. So first let me put the break line. Okay, then paragraph, this is subscripted text. You see, this is subscripted text. Oh, let me put the space before text. Now another one which is superscript. This is SUP, superscripted text. Here it is. Yeah, it is here. You see, this is subscripted text and this is superscripted text. So these are the elements that you can use, like a bold. For bold you can use B, and for italic you can use I. For subscript you can use sub. For super you can use super. For small you can use small. And for the mark, like this one, if you want to mark, this one, mark, so you can use as a mark. If you want to strike a word you can use del, and if you want to underline, and then you can use ints. And these are the elements that you have seen today.